Okay, here's what I got from Amazon, what I'm going to use for my radio signal for for my Halloween or Christmas window hologram or display or whatever. So this is well, it looks like it's all in a foreign language, so I don't know what to tell you to call it. It's just anyway, it says it's portable, which I don't really care about. But this was I think it was $50 on Amazon. We get this opened up. Oh, there's a lot of tape on here. It says portable card FM transmitter. Here's what's in the box. So you got the transmitter itself. You can see you can put an SD card in there, your antenna, a mic, and auxiliary. Now I'm going to be using the auxiliary. It looks like it also comes with a belt clip. So if you're, I guess they're saying it could be used for like church services and like the parking lot and stuff like that, but that's not what I'm going to use it for. Hopefully the signal goes far enough and good enough for the light display. You just twist that antenna on just like that. And then you got your cord. So it comes with a mic, which I could probably use for my videos and just put it into my phone like I'm recording my videos with. You got your 3.5 millimeter audio jacks, both male, or one with two male ends, so you can plug one into the device and then whatever else you're doing. If you want to put it into your phone, you could do that. And one charging cable. It's a micro USB. And that's what's in the box. So it's these items here with the directions. And now we'll get this hooked up and see how it works. And then I'll try, maybe I'll get in the car and go out to the street and tune into the channel and see how well it picks it up. Okay, here I'm with my device. Now this is the projector that we're gonna use because that's gonna be what's projecting onto the window. So if I look here, we have no 3.5 millimeter outlet or jack, but we do have the left and right audio here. So I ordered with this converter. So it has the left and right RCAs with a female 3.5 millimeter. So I'm just going to put the white to the white one, red to the red one. And then to hook the 3.5 millimeter into there, make sure it's all the way in. And then the other end will go into the device that's going to broadcast the signal into the auxiliary. Let's see there, the auxiliary. It's on. I don't know if there's a on-off. Okay, so it has a battery in there. Okay, the battery's wrapped, so you're gonna have to unwrap the battery. Okay, so I got the battery unwrapped and put back in. See if it turns on or if it needs to be charged. All right, it's looking like it needs to be charged. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna charge it and be back. So I was having issues with this battery not seem to connect or charge. But what I found out was, see, those tabs were bent. They were all pushed down, so they weren't making contact. And I think that's because of the way they put the battery in with the bag on it. They kind of squished them down. So I rebent them. So now that works. So that was my problem with not charging. So it looks like it has a charge. But that was a problem I was having. I just wanted to point that out. Alright, so I tried charging it, and I don't know if the battery's not connecting right or whatnot, or I need to wait longer. But I plugged this in. You see it turns on right away. So it looks like it's already set to 90 FM. I think if I hit this button, I can switch it to mic. Hit it again, you got auxiliary, and then FM. Then I can change the channel that it's going to be on. So let's just try that. Let me get something to put on. Alright, so to try this out, what I'm going to do is plug this into the auxiliary. I'll plug the other end into my tablet here. And then I'll go find something on YouTube. I'll try one of the playlists and play, and then tune in a radio I have set over here to see if I can't get it in. Alright, so we're going to do this right here of the pumpkins talking or whatever. And I'm going to try tuning this radio to see if I can pick that up.
Mandatory mask. .com/.
Alright, so I'm going to try a different station on the try going up. Try 95, see if anything comes in with that. So I am getting something, although it's very faint. I don't know if there's any other volume adjusts. Oh, there we go. So now this is going through there working. So it is picking up the signal. Now my next thing would be is how far away I can get that it'll work. So the signal is working. I have it set at 95. So right now it does work. That's good. So now I'm just gonna, so be back. I'll try doing it from, see how far away I can get. So I'm in the car in the garage, and I'm gonna try to turn it to that station. I set it to 90. So it is working. I can pick up the station. I'm in the garage. Everything's closed and in the car. And I can get that station that I set it. So the next step would be to see how far away I can get and still get this station.
When the moon is full and the sky is clear.
Alright, so now I'm backing out of the driveway. All I really need to know if I can get it from the street is all that really matters. I don't need to So I'm still getting it from the street. So that's as far as I really need it to be. So that little thing's working for 50 bucks, I think it was, or 47 or something like that. I'm just gonna pull back in. Alright, so this works for what I want to use it for. It should work for Christmas and whatever light display. You could probably just get away with doing this rather than get one of those $100 ones. So my next thing is to make something so people know to tune into that channel to hear what's going on when they drive by or come over to look at the thing in their cars and stuff. So my next video will be on me making something for that, which I think I'm going to do with some wood and some Christmas lights. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but like and subscribe, and then you can see that. Thanks for watching.